Here the problem reads, an arrow on a game spinner was spun 40 times. The table below shows the results. Question: which game spinner would likely give these results? So let's begin by highlighting the key parts of this. In the first sentence we read, an arrow on a game spinner was spun 40 times. And the question is, which game spinner, and here are the three choices, would likely give these results? Well, let's begin by counting the number of times that an arrow landed in these three areas. So up here, let's go ahead and count 5, 10, 11, and then here 5, 10, 15, 20, and then here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what we notice is the following. We notice, for example, that the area 1 and area 3 come up about the same number of times, 11 and 9. So let's make a note of that. So area 1 and area 3 come up about the same number of times. Well, what that means in the spinner is that the areas for 1 and 3 should be close in size. So let's go look at the three options. And we're looking for spinners where the areas for 1 and 3, or areas 1 and 3, are close in size. So here they are. They're both a quarter. And then let's see here. There are the areas for 1. And here are the areas for 3. They're close in size, so that's okay. And then down here, yeah, these are about a third. So that doesn't help us eliminate, or doesn't help us necessarily choose a particular one of these three things. So let's go back and look at the data that was collected. And what we can see is that area 2 comes up about twice as often as either area 1 or 3. So let's make a note of that. Area 2 comes up twice as often as either area 1 or area 3. So what that means is that area 2 should be about twice the size of both area 1 and area 3. So let's go over here and let's look. In A, it looks like area 2 is about twice the size of area 1, area 3. Let's see in figure B. Let's see. Now 2 is this little thin sliver, and there's 4 of them, but I think you would agree if you add up the areas of these 4 slices, they might equal the size of areas 1, area 3. And then down here, certainly area 2, it can't possibly be twice the size of these areas since it's also a third. So what that helps us do is basically eliminate C, again because area 2 here is equal in size to areas 1 and 3. And similarly for B, we can eliminate it because the areas for 2, when you add all these up, are about the same as for areas 1 and 3. So that leaves us with A as our final answer.